My sister had just had a birthday, and she'd been getting on me, like, big brother, take her out, for a while. And so finally I'm like, okay, you know what? There's a party, a bunch of my friends are getting together. I'll take you with me. And I thought it'd be okay. You know, she's cool. She gets along well with a lot of my friends. Plus, we were only like one town over. Nothing crazy. One of my friends' apartments. Just a bunch of us hanging out. Whatever. I thought it'd be a pretty relaxed night for me. But I wasn't really able to work my magic with any of the ladies, with my sister right there. And I had to watch her the whole night because I feel my buddies were getting a little too friendly. But she was cool, you know. She's actually a really good beer pong player for her first time playing. So she said. And it was nice because it was the first time we were able to just hang out, you know, and relax with each other. And my mom made me promise to get her home early. So we were on our way back at a reasonable time. And the cool thing was, we just talked. But not like little sister, big brother, like people. And I remember she said to me, you know, Rob, I actually had a good time tonight. Which was cool. And I didn't even see the other car coming. I got pretty banged up. And Michelle died 2 blocks away from our house. I wasn't even drunk. We were having a good time, and I got a little buzzed.